So we have here example 2.1. The normal weight concrete beam has a bending moment of M, which is equivalent to 32.6 kilonewton meter, and the Fc prime is equivalent to 21 megapascal. Verify whether the beam is uncracked or cracked by determining the following. Letter A, the bending stresses in the extreme fibers of the concrete, and letter B, the cracking moment of the section. So ito yung cross-section natin, rectangular. And we have here 3 no, na 28 mm diameter na rebars. The width of our beam is 300 millimeters. The total depth is 450 millimeters. And we have here the effective depth, which is 375 millimeters, and our steel covering na 75 millimeters. So for our solution, we have here the modulus of rupture. Since normal weight yung concrete natin, yung lambda is equivalent to 1.0 based on the code. And the formula for our, or equation for our modulus of rupture is taken to be 0.62 lambda the square root of our Fc prime. By substituting the values for our lambda and our Fc prime, we'll get the value for our modulus of rupture to be equivalent to 3.2807 megapascal. For our gross moment of inertia, since rectangular yung cross-section natin, so BH cube lang all over 12 yung ating equation. So by substituting the values for our width and our total depth, we'll get the value for our gross moment of inertia to be equivalent to 2,278.125 times 10 to the power of 6 millimeters to the fourth power. Now, take note na dapat consistent yung ating format when it comes to the moment of inertia. So, dapat take note na naka-scientific notation tayo na times 10 to the power of 6 for consistency of our calculation. Another is the location of our neutral axis. Since rectangular yung cross-section natin, so yung centroid nito is ano lang, h all over 2. So, by substituting the value for our total depth, our location of our neutral axis na y is equivalent to 225 millimeters. Then for our bending stress, so this is now equivalent to m times y all over our ig. So if we're going to substitute the value for our moment na 32.6, take note yung given sa problem natin, yung unit of moment is naka-kilonewton meter. So we still have to convert it to newton times millimeter. So to convert it, meron tayong conversion factor dito na times 10 to the power of 6. Next, is-substitute yung value ng y na 225, and of course, yung gross moment of inertia natin na 2,278.125 times 10 to the power of 6. So we'll get our bending stress sa tension to be 3.2198 megapascal. Now, we're going to compare it dun sa modulus of rupture. Now, since yung bending stress natin na is only 3.2198 and it is less than sa ating modulus of rupture, therefore, yung section natin is uncracked. In terms of moment naman, the cracking moment, no? This is before we are going to solve the cracking moment, define muna natin yung y sub t natin to be equivalent to y to be equivalent to 225 millimeters since symmetrical lang naman yung section, rectangular lang. So ito yung equation natin for our cracking moment. This is equivalent to FR Ig all over our YT. So by direct substitution, yung F sub R natin is 3.2807, yung Ig is this value, then yung Y sub T na 225, we'll get a value here of 33.22 kilonewton meter. Now take note medyo mataas yung value if we're going to solve this solution. But then, take note na yung unit nito is naka-newton times millimeter. So, para ma-convert natin to sa kilonewton meter, we have to divide it by times 10 to the power of 6. So, yung cracking moment natin is 33.22 kilonewton meter. Now, yung given na service load moment natin is 32.6, and this is less than sa ating cracking moment. If that is the case, therefore, uncrack yung ating section.